Are you in decent shape yet? Can you finally walk up a couple floors without losing your breath? Do you want to take your fitness and metabolism to the next level? Good. Then let's get into high-intensity aerobic training. As we've already learned, high-intensity aerobic training is performed in the range of 70 to 85% of your maximum heart rate. If you don't remember how to measure and calculate heart rate max, go to the aerobic exercise chapter again. There is a reason why we have a different video for high-intensity aerobic training and don't include this into the aerobic exercise. It is because it has different applicability and effects on your health and metabolism. What are the pros of high-intensity aerobic exercise? It burns more calories than low-intensity exercise. It overloads your nervous system and causes a slight afterburn effect. Your metabolic rate rises for 1 to 2 days and automatically burns more calories. It doesn't slow metabolism or cause you to lose muscle mass. Think about marathon runner versus sprinter. Are there any cons? It stresses your body more and can lead to injuries and burnout or overtraining more quickly than low-intensity training. Maybe the best thing for most is that you can get the same amount of calories burnt, plus an extra boost of aerobic health with much less time. How should you start with high-intensity aerobic exercise? The best way is not just switching from zone to zone. It is much easier to add short intervals of high-intensity aerobic exercises into the lower heart rate zone. For example, let's say you jog daily for 30 minutes at a heart rate max of 65%. In that case, you should insert a 5 to 10 minute 70 to 85% heart rate max interval in the middle of your workout and start to add it from there week by week. It makes the transition smoother and won't overexert your body. Do you need high-intensity interval training? No, you can manage well without it, granted that you train your strength as we will see in the next chapter. But raising the intensity gives you many benefits over the regular low-intensity aerobic exercise. If your goal is to maximize your metabolism and burn fat and improve the health benefit, you should incorporate at least some high-intensity aerobic exercise into your workouts.